It's Robbie One's beat.
When I'm looking in the south, in the western, in the central, yeah. And I found us was born and I'm grown in the northern Uganda.
Thank you very much. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Luo of Democratic Republic of Congo. Democratic Republic of Congo, also known as DR Congo, some people just abbreviate it as DRC, is one of the African countries that hosts the largest group of the Luo people. That is the Alur. The Alur tribe makes up the major Luo in Democratic Republic of Congo. According to Johnson and Mandrake, in 2001, the Luo of Democratic Republic of Congo were a total of 750,000 in number. That is 250,000 less than a million. Now, the reason as to why most of the scholars, the ones we get these days, have outdated statistics is because most of these research findings are done some years back. And therefore, we will give you update on the latest population of the number of the Luo of DR Congo. The Luo in DR Congo are found in the eastern province called Oriental Province. They are also found in the Mahagi territory and also northwest Gnyaala-Gasiga territory. This is according to Haley of 1974. 1947. The Luo Alur of Congo are also known as the Loro, L-U-R, the Loro, the Alua, the Lulu, the Luri, the Do, Alu, Ham, Jo, Alur. Furthermore, they are classified as Nilo-Sahara, Eastern Sudanic, Nilorics, Luo Acholi, Alu Acholi, or the Alu. The Luo Alu, according to research, exists primarily for agriculture. Their major economic activity is agriculture, of which agriculture is the dominant economic activity to all the rest of other Luo tribes. The Luo Alu inhabits northwestern Uganda and extended into Congo, and also some are in Kenya. The ancestors of the Alur were part of the partisan or the partition movement from southern Sudan, who moved along from southern Sudan. And this is why I will bring another video that disqualifies the story of 𝕵 and 𝕝. Story of 𝕵 and 𝕝, we are gonna bring the video that will disqualify it once and for all. It has been nice having you watch this video. Thanks for watching it till then. Like it, share and comment. Please subscribe and also follow on Pinterest and Facebook. Check the website @focal.site. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.
One